Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Today I have a box here that I'm gonna go ahead and open up. But I appreciate you guys for clicking this video. Make sure you hit the bell icon. If you're new, you can get subscribed for more videos just like this. But this channel, we unbox the newest smartphones, earbuds, and everything like that. But if that's something that interests you, definitely stay locked in. But we're gonna go ahead and open up this package right here. So for the very first time, I'm just gonna cut the seal on this thing. And then we're gonna open up the side and just see what this thing has to offer. Because you guys may be wondering what this thing contains. Well, just stay patient right here, because I'm not gonna have you guys like thinking about what we're talking about. This is actually what we're talking about right here. It's the Redmi. Actually, it's the Realme 5 Pro. The Realme 5 Pro. So the Realme 5 Pro has it says right here VOC flash, VOC flash 3.0, a 48 megapixel camera. It says dare to leap. On the back of the box, we are getting crystal green, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. You do get bands 1, 5, and 8, as well as 1, 3, 5, 8, 7, 20, 28. Hopefully this thing will work on Cricket as well as Metro. We'll test that, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me. You can see right here, we're also getting the IMEI numbers and everything like that. Dare to leap. This box is pretty new to me. I've never unboxed a Redmi device before, but let's just crack open the seal on this thing. All right, so we got that off. Let's go ahead, lift the top. All right, so that was actually pretty cool. Put that off to the side. Take a look at what's inside of this box. So right here we're greeted with, inside this sleeve, you can see it says, "Let's embrace a new journey. Hi, welcome to Redmi family." Then you get a smoky TPU case. So it's not clear, it has that smoke gray color. Then you get important information guide, and you get the quick start guide as well. So after opening that open, you're gonna pop open the phone, in which you're gonna be greeted with the what looks to be like the Type-C cable, the SIM ejector slot tool inside of the box, and you're getting this brick right here, which is for quick charging. You can convert it with a converter. So this is like Euro brick. So let me put this back over here. And then we're actually getting the phone right here, which has a nice weight to it. Let me just peel this off of the phone. All right, so that's off of the phone. You can see it has this nice color to it. They actually describe it as crystal green. And let me show you how that looks on this camera right here. Wow, that looks crazy. Let me pull that off. So you're just getting the inside the box. Wow, look at that color right there. You're getting the Type-C connector right here. But look at that. That says Realme right here. I'm gonna let you guys know if this works on Metro by T-Mobile and Cricket Wireless as well. But you can see that there's a fingerprint sensor right there. You're getting a 48 megapixel above top. It looks like there's 3 other cameras in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fingerprint. Let's boot this thing on. They do have a screen protector on here. As you can see, it's like a small film that they put on here, which is crazy. Let's go ahead, give this thing some juice. Let me just power this thing on. Okay, so you got the power button right here. Then on the back, wow, that looks crazy. That looks sick. Then you got your SIM tray right here. Then you got your power button. I'm sorry, volume rockers right here. No power button on this side, but that says Realme right here. Let's put this down. But right now you can see that we have the Realme. We're gonna switch it to English in the United States, which is already, it's like right here at the top. And then it says regional options. You can also click United States as well. So you can see clearly this is made for the US. Wow, you get 5 gigahertz. You get the regular option. You can see we have a nice slope at the top where the camera is housed. Let me just see. Continue. And then it actually lets you enter your Wi-Fi password right now. So what's really cool is that you get the option to choose between it says right here continue, agree, and then user experience, no thanks, no thanks, and then agree. All right, so it's gonna take you straight to your Google services. Right here you can see don't copy. We're gonna just start as a fresh Android with a brand new interface on the real, I'm trying to get this right, Realme 5 Pro, which is actually gonna be my first time ever using, let me see, skip, but you can see it does come with the Google services on board. So you won't have any issues with this when it comes to this setup. More, except make sure you stay locked in for the next video so we can talk about more features on this thing. You can see it does offer fingerprint and face and password. So we're just gonna hit next, set up a password. All right, so now you can see right here it's asking you to enroll your face. So I'm gonna do that right now. Wow, that's crazy. That's really smooth. It says turn on raise to turn on screen is recommended. Yeah, we're gonna turn that on. You'll get your fingerprint right away. Let's enter that in. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Wow, that happened really quickly. Adjust the position. Place your fingerprint on the sensor. So now you can adjust the position to get a more accurate read. And then after that, you hit continue. Google Assistant is there. It says software updates. We're gonna set as a new Redmi phone. You can see right here it says Color OS 6. 6 Color OS. You can start the experience right here. And now we're in. This is the main user interface. You got Aquamail. Wow, I never heard of that before. Calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, clone, phone, compass, contacts, drive, Duo, Facebook, Office Assistant, Google Maps, weather. So this is really stock Android. Let's go into settings. And when you go into right here where it says about phone, right here, it's gonna say Color OS 6, Android 9, and that's running on Android Pie right out of box. But I'm gonna cover this phone in a whole lot more detail. But make sure you stay locked in so you could check out all the features this thing does have to offer. But I'm gonna set this thing up. But this is just the unboxing experience. Wow, look at that color. This color on this phone is crazy. But let me know what you think about this phone so far. And that is really jaw-dropping stuff right there on the back of it. But I appreciate you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay locked in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.